how to create Google Analytics for account. So first, go to the Google Analytics and then click on this admin here at the bottom left. Now here, you just need to click on create here at the top left, then click on account. Now here, you just need to type in your account name. So I'm just going to type in test here. Then here, just choose your account data sharing settings. Just choose any one here and then click on next. Now here, type in your property name. So I'm just going to type in Mastery Test, and then here choose your reporting time zone, your currency, and then click on next. Now here, select your industry category, then choose your business size, and then click on next. Now here, your business objectives, just check what you're going to do here. So let's say I'm going to drive sales, and then generate leads, and then click on create. Then here you just need to click on I also accept, and then click on I accept. Oh wait, this is optional. If you want to accept the data processing teams or terms as required by GDPR, you can just click on this one. But if you don't want that, that's fine. You can just click on I accept. And of course, you can change your region here as well. And then after that, okay, now here, if you want to choose a platform here, you can do that. But for now, I'm just going to skip this. And then here, you can just begin setting up your data collection, or you can just click on continue to home. There you go. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, now you have your account here. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.